Welcome to our video presentation on the Samsung 15.6-inch Galaxy Book 2 Pro laptop computer. In this video, we'll explore the key features and capabilities of this innovative device. Let us start with the design. The Galaxy Book 2 Pro features a sleek and modern design in a stylish graphite color. Its slim profile and lightweight construction make it a portable companion for professionals on the go. Opening the laptop reveals a stunning 15.6-inch display. This high-resolution screen offers crisp visuals and vibrant colors, making it ideal for multimedia consumption, content creation, and everyday productivity tasks. Powering the Galaxy Book 2 Pro is the 12th Gen Intel Core processor. This cutting-edge processor delivers exceptional performance, allowing you to multitask seamlessly and run demanding applications with ease. With 16 GB of RAM and a spacious 512 GB storage capacity, you'll have plenty of room to store your files, documents, and media. This ample memory ensures smooth multitasking and enables you to work efficiently without any slowdowns. The Galaxy Book 2 Pro is a versatile companion that adapts to your needs. Whether you're sketching ideas with the S Pen stylus, connecting external devices using the USB ports, or streaming content on the go, this laptop has you covered. Battery life is essential for a laptop, and the Galaxy Book 2 Pro doesn't disappoint. Its long-lasting battery ensures you can work and play for hours without needing to recharge. Plus, with fast charging capabilities, you can quickly get back to full power when needed. Security is a top priority, and the Galaxy Book 2 Pro has you covered. With features like facial recognition and fingerprint scanning, you can keep your data safe and easily access your laptop with just a touch or a glance. The Samsung 15.6-inch Galaxy Book 2 Pro laptop computer combines sleek design, powerful performance, and versatile functionality to enhance your productivity and entertainment experiences. Whether you're a professional on the go or a content creator, this laptop is designed to meet your needs. Thank you for watching our video presentation on the Samsung 15.6-inch Galaxy Book 2 Pro laptop computer. For more information and to explore the full range of features, visit our official website or contact our customer support. Stay connected and stay productive with the Galaxy Book 2 Pro.